Projects are heart of the Claude AI, and I can't even imagine myself working without projects inside the Claude AI. So in today's video, we are going to learn what is projects, when you should use it, and all the powerful things you can do with the projects. And we are going to create a project live here which can help you to find a new job or switching from your current job. So let's get into it.
Claude projects are like smart folders where you give AI memory, files, and instructions. So instead of repeating yourself every single time, Claude remember everything inside the project and help you like a dedicated assistant for a specific task.
So let me open the Claude AI. If you are unfamiliar with this interface, I highly recommend to check out my recent video where I explained all the foundation about Claude AI. But in today's video, we are going to focus on the projects. So let me click on the project, and from here, you can create a new project. And if you have a lot of projects, you can search from here by specifying the name of the project. But we are going to click on this new project. The first thing we have to do is give our project a name. I am giving it a job application assistant. And after that, you have to give a description. I am keeping it same, but you can change it whatever you want. It may help you when there are a lot of projects in your Claude, right? I will click on the create project, and then you will see an interface like this. So let me explain you the interface first of all. But here you can add the instructions. Here you can add the file. From here you can start your project. And if you start it, you will see your project is here. From here you can rename on all other stuffs. From here you can chat with your project. I will show you how you can chat. So let's add some instructions. So let me add the instructions and tell you what this project is going to do. So as our instructions say, you are my personal job application coach. You know my resume from inside out. Whenever I paste a job description, tailor my resume bullet point for it. Write a cover letter in a confident but natural tone and flag any skill gap I should address. So whenever you want to get a new job or want to switch from a job, the most annoying thing but very important thing is going through the entire job description and finding out all the skills they want and matching them with our resume before applying. This is a very headache task. So we want to automate this task, because when you want to get a new job, you might be applying for 100 applications, and manually checking everything is very hard task. So I have set up my instructions. Now I have to add my resume. So I will click on the add file. I will upload from my own device. You can either add by text context, you can add your GitHub repo, you can also upload anything from Google Drive. So right now I am uploading from my own device. It is a bit outdated resume, but it's okay for us right now. You can add more context and a lot more things. For example, let me add a text context where I will share my preference. Here I will share the preference, like what type of job I really want. Okay, so I mentioned that I want to work in an AI company, especially AI education. So it knows that, okay, Surendra is likely to work in an AI company, especially in the AI education field. So if a job description and skills match with AI education, it is more likely giving more score to that particular job description. Let me add the context here. So now we have two files in the context. We have our instructions defined here. Now we can start chatting, and it is time to check if our project is working or not. So let me head over to LinkedIn. So I am here on the LinkedIn and I search AI engineer, and I am going to copy a job description from the first result. Let me copy this entire thing. Now let's go and paste it here. Because in my resume there are mostly technical things and I am from an AI background, I am expecting that Claude give me green signal, but let's see. Now it's reading the PDF which we have mentioned, like our PDF resume. Then it will read the text, then it will read the job description and give us the email which we can send. As you can see, it already responded and given me all the bullet points. It also given me the cover letter which I can directly send via Gmail. Like, can you imagine, you can directly send the email to the recruiter or the founder who is hiring you. You can also copy it. Just click on the send via email and it's done. And here, skill gap, be honest with yourself. And it is showing what are the skills which is missing in your resume, how you can improve them, and make sure to mention them in your resume when you are sending the resume if you have these skills. It's crazy, but I am not satisfied right now because I want to test it hard. Now we are going to give a irrelevant job and let's see how it responds. So this time I am going to give a job description of marketing manager and let's see how it responds, because I am not in the marketing, to be honest. And if Claude say you can apply on this particular job, I will be very disappointed. So I paste the description and let's see how it responds. As you can see, I have to be straight with you, Surendra. This role is not a good fit for you and applying would likely hurt more than help. As you can see, here is the honest assessment. You don't have to spend a lot of time just looking for description and at the end finding out that this job is not for you. And if a job match for you, you will directly get an email or a letter which you can send to the recruiter, and it will be impressed because this particular cover letter is very specified with your resume and their need. So there are high chances that you will get selected. So this is all about the projects. If you come here on the click on the project section, you can create new project, you can open this project, and if you open this particular project, you will see that there is a chat available. If you want, you can start another chat, you can like delete this particular chat, rename it, change the project, remove from project, and do all the other stuff you want. You can update the files here, you can update the instruction here, and you can update all the things you want from here. So this is everything you need to know about the projects. I hope you understand how you can work with the projects. I hope this video helped you out, and let me know if you want more videos on Claude Projects. I'm happy to explore more advanced steps of Claude Project with you on this channel. Let me know. And if you like this channel, please hit the subscribe button and like this video because we are going to upload a lot of AI stuff. So if you want to be in the top 1% of the AI,